homie over there, he got the 540, 25. Got some plans, but it looks a little wider. Maybe just because it's lower.
All right, we got the thumbs up. We got the thumbs up. Are you guys ready? All right, we got the timer. Okay, here's the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go!
Uh-oh. Look at that, people. She's sensitive. I like this more. This is sick. Sorry. Do you have air ride on it too? Not yet? Nice.
The only thing he's missing is bone service. Oh wait, we got bikini girls here, don't we? You just have to help me get to the wholesome Gatorade bottle. Doesn't matter what bottle it is. So H2O water.
I like this. I like this.
All right, everybody, surround the white car. Okay. Give me the thumbs up when you're ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa! This is sick.
sound class, not a sound system class.
This is sick.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause. We heard all the bass lines on that one.
love
Yeah,
this.
round of applause. Wow. Wow, that was really good.
Oh, that's 2000.
That was a really good one. This is the winner is going to help you with the bikini contest. That was really good. So the judges are going to come back. I'm going to play a little tune. I'm going to see what's going on with
see what I see.
bikinis.
Oh my.
Yeah, they're
Look
going to
at
present that
this.
tune. Yeah. So let me go find out what's going on with bikinis
Oh,
while the judges talk.
I'm gonna just do the walk around quick. Old school though? Get a tire on that.
It's got the floaters on the back too.
Jeez.
Oh shit, cow hood.
Cow hood.
All right. It seems like we have our winner, even based on our. Really sorry.
Big turnout. It's a nice turnout.
Based on all your guys' excitement from the last car that you just heard, please give a round of applause for Flux. Yo, you know he's a DJ, okay? You guys
Spotted.
can see me doing that all day.
Yo, Rondon, where you at?
Yeah, but
It looks nice in person, bro. It looks so sick in person. Hell yeah.
DJ, was it DJ Junkie?
What's up, man?
Yes,
No,
yes.
this still works.
Down a bit, DJ
Yeah, this
Junkie.
is
All right, so what we're gonna
stupid in
do?
person, bro. I've seen it on Instagram.
The
Oh
balls
my
ready?
gosh.
Okay. Burn it again.
Hell yeah.
Car's on the way.
It was a rush to get it ready
Yeah,
for
for today, huh? I've seen the stories, bro.
Basically, put your car.
You guys were at the
sick.
shop yesterday till 5 a.m. finishing
No, I want
reassembling
the girls
everything
in the middle.
yesterday.
Put your
So
car like
Oh
where the
man,
Acura is.
shout
I
out
felt
to
bad, bro. Like I was like, yo, like,
You guys,
I knew I needed it for
first
today.
if you can, please.
And he messaged me last
Sienna's
night like
already
one. He's
facing
like,
the right
bro, I
way.
can't guarantee you it's gonna
Love
be done.
that setup, by the way.
Yo, this is the
That is
owner.
such a sick
Shots by Hill.
setup.
Shout out your Instagram,
that's
bro.
number 2 right there.
That's Instagram right
Love it,
there.
love it.
Instagram
Thank you
right
guys
there.
for the competition. Now it's time for the bikini
Shots by Hill,
competition.
you know what I mean? Beautiful truck, bro.
Raptors East killed it. Check out their work.
Shout out Raptors East. Check out their work. This is dope, bro. I like the wheels.
Thanks, buddy.
This setup is nice, bro. What side do you like better? The teal or the flat?
I can't choose.
You can't choose, huh?
I can't choose.
I like both, too.
I got this design off a guy from LA, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you going to keep the wheels the same, or are you going to do opposite?
No, I'm gonna keep them chrome, and then I'm debating on pulling my headlight out on the teal side and on my tail light.
Yeah.
I get it in color match with the wrap. And
Yeah.
I just had, like, it was a pain in the ass to wire up all the air ride too, right? So my dad did all the air ride for me. I had
Sweet.
custom mounts made in the back. I have my Instagram and shit in them.
I seen that.
But I have to, I'll air up right now and show you, but I have to cut out the inner fender, right? So you can see.
So you can see it, eh? Oh, what? Look at it. Custom mounts, shots by Hill. Look at those mounts right there.
You can cut that out. Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
That's all I gotta cut out, and then you'll be able to
Then
see
you'll be able
the
to
full
see it.
mount, right?
Yo, that's sick, man.
Which kind of sucks because that's the whole reason why I put it in. Take the double and just say
Yeah, just cut it out. It looks sick, real sick. All right, yo, I'm gonna do a walk around.
Come towards where the blue hat guy is. That's where you want to be. Yellow Acura, right? Oh, the yellow Kia? All right, yellow Kia, you're blocking the entrance, so if you guys can make some room so we can shuffle the cars.
Yours?
And all the cars can go back to their original way.
Nah, clean, you know. This is
Real quick,
gorgeous.
go back to the original car spot.
Too much noise. Oh. What would you choose? 4 doors? Wagon. Yo, you know how rare this one is? Evo wagon? No. Hey. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, no way.
What is it? Nissan what?
Wagon. When you put the Evo front end, GTR front end.
I was like, Volvo?
Basically, yeah. Probably, yeah. I like this. I have one of these. I missed this car. I have one of these. Oh.
Yeah, this is what my boys looks like. Just straight built.
This is straight built. Yo, and they run.
They fucking
They run. They run.
Hold on, 8. I'm like, what? Damn.
It was crazy, right?
Like, I get a 6. A 6, whatever. But damn. A 4-banger.
I think with the 6s,
A 4-banger with no boost?
oh, you're pushing. At least,
What the fuck?
remember,
I saw the videos,
even
they
if they have like just like 300 horsepower,
Yeah.
just the power to weight ratio alone,
Power to weight, right?
you know, you just gotta know how to put the power down. That's all.
That's it, yeah.
Nice work.
Yeah, I was reading last night, these ones have head gasket problems.
Yeah. Tons.
That's probably a good thing. I
But
didn't
they're,
get,
they're nice cars. Yo, when you have them done up properly,
Yeah.
these cars are gorgeous.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's probably a good thing I didn't grab one. So obviously I'd grab an old one.
I'll grab the older one too. I like this body style. Older ones have my heart. I'm not gonna lie. Where's Dino? Where's this guy? He said he's at the gas station because his tire was a little bit low. I just hope they don't send up copyright music.
No.
Is the
I mean, sometimes if you're big enough, they'll cut it out.
they'll cut it out. I'm not that big yet. Not yet. But I'll just cut out the audio, like the music.
To like 100,000 views or subscribers or whatever.
I know. Look at this. Shout out to the whole kit. That's it. That's it. It's funny because some of these cars here, I see a lot. I like this a lot. Sickness
All right,
for
so
real.
check this out. I'm going to give the microphone to Mr. Expo. My winner. You know what you're going to be here for? For the last 2 contestants. If we have a tie, I want you to play a song for them. Okay, we're gonna see who is probably what, the best dancer? If we have to make like a tiebreaker or something like that. Sound good? Oh, and that too. Whatever you got, whoever someone told you about the whole walking out thing, yeah, go ahead. That too.
Oh, how'd I pass that? How'd I miss this?
DJ.
Dipped it. This is sick.
Let me go get my records. Let me just go show off this guy one time. I'll show him
pretty
one
sick.
time. I dropped the needle on his other guy. Get my 1200 and my S9. Yeah, now we're talking real talk. Is it? Yeah, that's what it feels like with this controller. This controller is a toy controller to me. I'll tell you right, guys, right now. Follow me on Twitch on Golden DJ.
I miss her.
And you will see.
I used to have one of these too.
I do on there. Especially with fireballs.
I was a big Honda. I'm still a Honda fan. I love my Hondas. I love my Hondas. Yeah, he was here last night. I said, you'll see a couple cars from last night. Oh, we should have parked up over here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm loving this. This is so clean. Oh my gosh. Garage 16. This is clean. Oh, it's air ride though. Oh, I thought you were static, buddy. Still clean. You see it, right? This Infinity's clean too. Oh, look at it. G. That's how you do it. G.
Swear there was a Mustang that was angry with you on the highway.
You seen it, right? It was a 4-cylinder though. It was the EcoBoost.
The EcoBoost.
He was mad at me. And I was even pushing it. He was pushing it. And I looked over to the side and I seen you and I started laughing.
Oh, come on, man.
I wasn't even pushing it. Little EcoBoost. Get out of here.
Can't be mad.
Can't be mad. Don't be mad at me.
35, 40 grand. Like, why you mad, bro?
Don't be mad. You should have got the V8. None's over here.
Like all the cars I've ever had in my life probably add up to like 40 grand.
Yeah. Likewise.
Jesus Christ.
Yo, likewise. The amount of cars that I had, yeah, probably like maybe 60 grand.
Maybe, right? But
Not even lying.
I couldn't do that, even if I had the money.
Nah, one car now. Like I said, I'll buy a bunch and I'll have project cars. This is sick. RT.
Yeah, I used to want one still.
I had
Dakota?
I had the Durango to this, but mine wasn't a 5.9. I wish I put the 5.9 motor in it. That would have been crazy. Yeah.
Sylvia, no?
S14?
Oh, S14, yeah.
S14 lovers?
First world problems. Woo! Alright. Throw them out to the crowd. Who's the lucky one today? There we go. There we go. We got the t-shirt there too. Get your photos out of the way, ladies and gentlemen. This is for 6 contestants. We'll introduce you to them momentarily. Get those cameras. Want to get in there too, buddy? There's a guy with Speedos that wants to get in there too. Got some camera going here. Look at this guy. Remember last year?
Oh, chop chop. Look at this. You got
there we
the
go.
Rolls Royce doors.
Let me give him a picture.
See how his doors open?
This guy here.
How?
These pictures. Speedos. There we go. Make some noise for everyone here.
Shit.
Wow. That has really gone down. Wow. Oh yeah, that's dope.
Listen, I'm taking a page out of this guy's book. You see that? He's just talking about all of them right now. You know what I'm saying? With his all silk underwear.
This right here? I It's a lot of work done
I thought
to
her
it.
fluffy bikini was going to be
It's
distracted.
a lot. Look at supercharged. Look at that.
Yeah.
Holy.
You got the
LS6.
foot. I have nothing to say about your bikini anymore. You got the foot. It's
Dang.
fine. Hey, listen. Does anybody have a weed whacker?
Because next year when I go fly.
No, all he has to do is just
Terrible. One more. And another one. And another one.
This is
And
a nice
another one.
project car right here.
And another one.
Some people trim,
Alright.
some people dye their hair.
Who's that?
And another one.
Spotted.
You said, bro, you good?
What's going on, one down?
We call you
Everything
PlayStation
good?
one.
Big
So
up
Expo,
yourself,
yo.
Major.
Got
Yeah.
out of your system
I
there?
seen you going. You didn't see me
Alright.
flagging down, did you?
Nah, it's yo. I was trying to fucking find 14, bro.